Hey dear, do you remember me? We meet again. Guess what today is? Let's choose one. This red box is special. Pick it first. It's so beautiful. I don't know what's inside either. Let me open it. Wow! That's amazing! Ew! It's so cute. Hello, I'm Ellie. What color do you want next? I try red. Hee hee, I'm Leah. It's Orange's turn. Purple or green? I choose purple first. Last is green. There are 4 more mystery boxes left. This pink box is beautiful. Does this beautiful box hold any secrets? Cut it out here. He has a stomachache. Please help him. Oh no, have to take him to the hospital. Oh my god, I didn't think to say that much. Thanks, fans. Bye-bye. We still have 3 boxes. Now it's your turn to choose. If I remember correctly, this is Ellie. This time I will cut on the front. Oh no, this guy is hurt. He needs treatment. I saw the wound. Yeah, only 2 boxes left, orange or green. Do you think green is okay? Wow, that's amazing! We will use these brushes to find. First blue. Now it's your turn to choose. So many beautiful colors. Just try red and see how it goes. Wow! Next is green, the color of hope. I love it! Let's try again with yellow. Wow! Finally found Sumo. There are 5 characters here in total. So today we have discovered 5 characters. Isn't that great?